Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some lotion bars that are inspired by Lush's scrubee. I don't know if you know it, it's like a little bee with darker stripes and it's an exfoliant and a lotion bar all in one, and it's meant to be used in the shower. So I thought I would make something similar because I love scrubee. But you know, I really like Lush products, but they're kind of expensive, so I can't really afford getting them regularly, and I just wanted something similar. So my bars also have the darker stripes, but mine are horizontal instead of vertical. I used different molds and I used a lot of the same ingredients, so the feel of the product is very similar to scrubee, and it's a lot cheaper and it's just fun to make yourself. So let's get started. Get some silicone molds ready. For the yellow, moisturizing part of the lotion bars, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of cocoa butter, 3/4 of a cup of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 14 drops of sweet orange essential oil. Get 2 pots that fit into each other for a double boiler setup. Add some water to the bottom pot, place your top pot into it, and heat the water. Put your cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil in the top pot and let it melt. Stir now and then, and when that's all melted, add your honey and stir that in as well. Once everything is melted and mixed, pour your mixture into another pot and add your essential oil. Stir and put aside. For the brown, exfoliating part of the exfoliating lotion bars, you'll need 1/4 of a cup of cocoa butter, 1/4 of a cup of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Your double boiler setup should still be warm. Add all of the ingredients to the top pot, let them melt, and stir well. Now it's time to fill your molds. Start with a thin layer of the yellow moisturizing mixture. Let harden a little bit, then add a thin layer of the brown exfoliating mixture. You can then pour the next layer of the yellow mixture onto it right away. There's no need to let that harden first. Then wait for that layer to harden before you add another layer of the brown mixture. Keep repeating these steps until your molds are filled. Let harden fully overnight, or you can place them in the fridge or freezer if you don't want to wait that long before carefully popping them out of their molds. Use these products in the shower or in the bathtub, and you just make circular motions onto your wet skin with it, and then it will exfoliate and moisturize, and it will lock in the moisture by using honey in the product. And how long they will stay good for is always difficult to say, but looking at the ingredients, I would say at least a couple of months, and I would advise to keep them in the fridge, also to keep them hard, because if it gets too hot in your house, they will melt. So you don't want that. So keep them in the fridge or in the freezer or in the basement, somewhere that's a little cooler, and that will also help with the shelf life. So use sparingly, so don't use too much, because if you use too much, you will feel like a thick layer laying on your skin and it just doesn't feel very nice. So don't use too much, and then it won't happen. but you also need to rinse the product. So when you've applied it, you need to rinse it off, or rinse the excess, and then you should be good to go. Another thing to note is, just like every lotion product that you use in the shower or in the bathtub, that stuff can get slippery. So it can make your shower or your bathtub slippery, which is normal. It's the case with any store-bought lotion product as well. So be careful that you don't slip. Just be aware of the fact, okay, this is gonna make my shower or my bathtub a little bit more slippery. So, take extra care when you're stepping into or out of the bathtub or the shower, that you don't have any accidents, because we don't want that. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button, and I will see you soon with my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!